spotted Irma come. Savvy is where Irma going. Irma going to look for Sister Shan and brother-in-law. Run for cover. Make we get a blow dryer and blow away the one Irma. Me say, yesterday, right here saw a champion battery. We have a little barbecue outside. Only for see the big pretty tent blow gone down Constant Spring Road. I couldn't believe it. When I look round, the tent disappear. The jerk pan gone. When me look, me see the pork in the middle of the road with pure dirty water. If we only get 15% of Irma and Miami I get 100% plus the eye. Why? Me sorry for no. Take the first flight, come back home. But wait, the flight them not airport no shut off now. Me no wanna go to my friends and family, but do wanna try be safe because Irma, she dangerous. Why? Flooding, run for cover. Irma come, but wait, no say that right behind Irma. Box cover, another one out there. When me look, me see two more a farm. What go on in the world? Me no know what we are gonna do. But my friends and family in Florida, run, run. Make sure you pray to the Almighty and be safe. Alright? Love you now. Mwah.